total work done is given by, you know that along the curve C, F bar dot dr bar. Okay, you know what is your F bar. Now you know what is your R bar, and so you have your dr bar also. So first we will calculate F bar dot dr bar. So F bar dot dr bar will be equal to, this is 3x square minus 6yzi plus 2y plus 3xzj plus 1 minus 4xyz square k. Okay, this whole thing dot product with dr bar. What is dr bar? Xi cap plus dyj cap plus dz k cap. Ana?
Yes, ma'am.
So what will be F bar dot dr bar? When you solve it, you will get 3x square minus 6yz dx you will get. You are taking a dot product between these two vectors. Okay, plus 2y plus 3xz dy you will get, plus 1 minus 4xyz square dz you will get. And the endpoints are given as 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1. These are the endpoints given. Now the corresponding values of t will be what? Tell me, the corresponding values of t will be the endpoints 0, 0, 0 and 1, 1, 1. Okay, therefore the corresponding values of t are t is equal to 0 and t is equal to 1, because this will satisfy with this parametric equation x is equal to t, y is equal to t square, z is equal to t cube. Okay, so the value of t will be from 0 to 1. And now x is equal to t, this implies dx, since the overall question we will convert into t variable is, okay, according to the given question. This is your F bar dot dr bar, and here in place of x we will substitute t, in place of y t square, in place of z t cube. So need to substitute a dx dy dz also. So dx will be equal to what? Dt. Okay, y is given as t square, so from here dy will be equal to 2t dt. Similarly, z is given as t cube. So from here, dz will be equal to 3t square dt. So this substitution you have to make for f bar dot dr bar and integrate with respect to t. Okay. So hence work done, which is integral f bar dot dr bar, will be equal to integral t is equal to 0 to 1. Okay, what do you have? F bar dot dr bar, look at here, you have 3x square means t square minus 6 y z means t to the power 2 and t to the power 3 will be t to the power 5. Okay, dx means what? dt. Okay, plus then you have 2y, y is t square plus 3, x is t and z is t cube. So you will have t to the power 4 multiplied with dy. dy is again 2t dt. Then plus you have 1 minus 4 times x y z square. So x is t, t cube you will get, t cube whole square will be 6. So overall t to the power 9 you will get, multiplied with dz. dz is 3t square dt. Understood all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
simplify all of this and write down as one integral, because this whole thing in this one. So just 1 dt, dt will be common. And what do you have here in bracket? You will have t to the power 9 and all those things you will have. Simplify and tell me. On simplification you will get, not t to the power 11 you will get max. Is it or not? Here you have t to the power 9 t square. So you will have t to the power 11. That will be minus 12 t to the power 11. This is the maximum. Then what do you have? T to the power 5 also you have, na? You have it or not? It is minus 6 t to the power 5, and here you have plus 6 t to the power 5. So that will be cancelled. Will it be or not? I have underlined those two things. 6 times of t to the power 5 with a minus sign, and again you have,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, so t to the power 5 also cancelled. Then you don't have any t to the power 4. You have t cube term. So with t cube, what is the coefficient you are going to get? T cube.
4.
4 you will get. So plus 4 t cube, this one. T square multiplied with 2t, 2t square, 2t will be 4t cube. Then you have t square also, na? So here you have 3t square, and here you have 3t square. So plus 6t square you will have. Is it correct? So just
Yes, ma'am.
integrate, you will get the answer. This is minus 12 t to the power 12 by 12 plus 4 t to the power 4 by 4 plus 6 t cube by 3. Limits 0 to 1.
2,
Then
ma'am.
get the answer 2. On
2
solving
marks.
it, 2. So this is the answer. Okay. So this is one type of problem where the curve is given in parametric form. Sometimes the question can be given along the lines. Okay, suppose for example, understood this problem, all of you? Got it too?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
of you should get the same answer, unique answer. Okay, so the question is, using the line integral, calculate the work done by the force. So F bar is given here, which is 3x square plus 6y I cap minus 14yz j cap plus 20x z square k cap. Okay, but it is given along the lines from 0, 0, 0 to 1, 0, 0, then to 1, 1, 0, and then to 1, 1, 1. Something like this is given. Okay, so from the line here, the curve is not mentioned directly, but it is along the lines from 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 to 1, 0, 0, then from this point to this one, and then from here to here. In this way it is given. Okay, so let us solve it. Given your F bar, which is 3x square plus 6y plus I minus 14yzj plus 20x z square k. This is, you know what is your R bar, xi. These all things you have to write. In the previous question, though I have not mentioned, but for every problem you have to mention. Okay, so that your dr bar will be equal to dxi plus dyj plus dzk. Now you need to calculate your F bar dot dr bar also, which will be, on calculation you will get 3x square plus 6y dx minus sign. So you will have minus 14yz dy plus 20x z square dz. This is your F bar dot dr bar. Okay, so you have to calculate. So the whole curve I can say is given in this form, something like this form it is given. Is it or not? From 0, 0 to 1 point, then from this point to this point, then this point to this point, and again to this point. Something like this is given. Understood, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So along each curve, along each line, we have to solve this one. And it is not a closed curve, as you can see. Is it a closed curve? It is not. Why? Because again from 1 1, last point is what? 1 1 1. It is not mentioned from 1 1 1 to 0 0 0. Is it mentioned?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
It's not. Okay. So first you will calculate along the line 0 0 0 to 1 0 0. Now here look at these points or the line 0 0 0 to 1 0 0. What is we have is y is equal to 0 and z is equal to 0. This is constant. It is not changing. Is it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So from this you will have dy also 0 and dz also 0. And what changes? X changes. From where to where? 0 to 1.
0 to 1.
Okay. So the integration, therefore, the integral over this part, which I can say sum C1 f bar dot dr bar will be equal to integral x is equal to 0 to 1. Now f bar dot dr bar we have calculated. It's here in the box. Okay. So from this one, you substitute x value. X need not, x is a variable, it is not changing. But dy you have, dz you have, y also, z also you have. So y0, z0, dy0, dz0. What is left out here you have when you substitute these values in this f bar dot dr bar? Tell me, you will left with only, please answer.
X
3 x
square plus
square
6.
dx. Only this much part you will left because y value is 0. Then again the next part dy is 0, y is 0, z is 0. Again the last part, last term dz is 0, z is 0. So only you are left with 3x square dx. So this you need to integrate. So on integration you will get only x cube by 3. 3 3 cancel, 0 to 1. So the result is 1 only. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Now similarly along the line 1 0 0, next this point, from this point to the another point, what is that? 2 1 1 0 to this one. What do you have here? We have x is equal to 1 and z is equal to 0. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
So dx will be equal to what? What will be dx?
0.
0.
And dy dz
0.
0.
0. What changes here?
Y.
From 0 to 1.
0 to 1.
This kind of problems we have already done. So therefore the integral over the next line f bar dot dr bar will be equal to integral y is equal to 0 to 1 we have. Now let us substitute these values, okay, in f bar dot dr bar. Okay, now you see dx is 0 even though x is 1, but overall this whole thing will be multiplied with dx, so that part will be 0. So first part 0. dy is not 0, but here the function is y into z, but z is 0 na, so this also 0. And the last term again x and z both 0. So overall here you will get 0 minus 0 plus 0 dy you will get. So overall this answer is 0. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Come to the next point along the line 1 1 0 2 1 1 1. Now again what is here? What do you have? We have x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. So dx will be equal to 0, dy will be equal to 0, and z changes from 0 to 1. So these substitutions you will make here. Okay. So therefore integral over C3 S3 f bar dot dr bar will be equal to integral z is equal to 1 to 0 to 1. Is it 0 to 1? Yeah, 0 to 1 only.
Yes,
No?
ma'am.
Yeah, 0 to 1. Mhm. Look at the function again. So dx 0, dy 0, so all terms 0. Last term you will have 20, x value is 1, z square. So 20 z square you will have. So 20 z square dz. So this will be equal to 20 by 3 on simplifying. Z cube you will get upper limit 1, so 20 by 3. Therefore, total work done will be equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3. What is 1? How much you got for 1? Please answer.
1.
For 2
1.
it is 0.
1.
1 plus 0 plus 3 is 20 by 3. So on simplification you will get 23 by 3. This is the answer. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Let us solve another problem. If f bar is equal to 4xy minus 3x square z square I plus 2x square j minus 2x cube z k, prove that line integral f bar dot dr bar, that is work done, is independent of the curve joining two points. That means it is independent of the path. Work done is independent of the path. This is what you need to prove. So how you will prove this one? What you need to prove? How you will prove? What you need to prove is that the work done is independent of the path. You need to prove this one. How you will prove is the question. How you will prove it? You turn your pages, you have written a little bit theory related to all this. And can anyone tell me how you will prove this one?
Curl F bar equal to 0 bar.
Yeah, very good. Curl of f bar is equal to 0 bar. If you are able to prove this, then you can write the work done is independent of the path. Because if you know that if the force is conservative, then the work done is independent of the path. Okay. Conservative means that is your f bar will be equal to gradient of phi. Okay, so you need to prove that f bar is equal to del phi, or you can say curl of f bar is equal to 0 bar. This is what you need to prove. If this happens, then we can say that the work done is independent of the path. So all that theory you can write, but just check here what you need to prove is we need to prove curl of f bar is equal to 0 bar. You need to prove. If this happen, then there you can say that the work done is independent of the proof and independent of the path. So try it, calculate it, whether you got 0 or not. Tell me. This is I, J, K. Curl you are calculating. That means del cross F bar you are calculating. So dou by dou X, dou by dou Y, dou by dou Z. Now what do you have? F bar components 4xy minus 3x square z square. Then you have 2x square. Then you have minus 2x cube z. Calculate this determinant. Now who wants to join? It's already half an hour. Sharadhi. With I cap, this term need to be differentiated with respect to y. No y variable, so 0. Then this term need to be differentiated with respect to z. No variable, so 0. And minus j. With j means this term need to be differentiated with respect to x. So you will get minus 6x square z. And then this need to be differentiated with respect to z. Minus minus will be plus 6 x square z you will get. Then with k you will have this and this. So with x you will have 4x and with y you will have minus 4x. So answer 0 bar. Got it all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So try this one. Compute the line integral y square dx minus x square dy. It's already f bar dot dr bar value is given to you. Y square dx minus x square dy. Round the triangle whose vertices are 1 0 0 1 minus 1 0 in the xy plane. It's already mentioned xy plane, that's why there is no z variable there. With dz you would have 0, z 0, so dz 0. Therefore in f bar dot dr bar you only have xy values here. Okay, so try to solve it. Actually what triangle is given to you according to this? If you take this as x-axis, this as y-axis, what is the first point? 1 0 is given. So let this be 1 0. So this point is 1 comma 0 is given to you. Then you have 0 comma 1. So this point is 0 comma 1. Then you have minus 1 0. So this point is minus 1 comma 0. So calculate it. Let me see who will. Here if I mention these points A, this points B, this point is C. So overall our integral, which is y square dx to minus x square dy, will be equal to integral along AB along BC plus along CA. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. So first independently each and everyone will calculate. Along AB we will calculate. Okay. So along AB, I'll write along the line AB. What is not changing? What is
Y.
not changing?
Y.
Y
It's
is not changing. So y is 0. This implies dy is equal to 0. Okay. So overall our integral x is anyhow -1 to +1, but here y is 0 na. So this part anyhow is 0. Again dy is 0. So overall this integral along AB will be equal to what? 0 itself. Is it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Will it be or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now let us go to the second one. Along the line BC. So along the line BC, tell me, see here y and x both are changing now. If there is no constant, so along this line we have to integrate. What is the equation of this line? Tell me. What is the equation of this line? Hmm? Will anyone try to answer? Hmm?
X plus y equal to 1.
Yes. X plus y is equal to 1. This is x plus y is equal to 1. So y0, x is 1, x0, y is 1. So that is x plus y is equal to 1. Okay. So along the line BC means x plus y is equal to 1. So here we will convert the question into one variable. Y variable we will convert, or x variable. It's your wish. So from here you can write y is equal to 1 minus x, so that dy is equal to minus dx. Understood all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
So now, therefore, this integral along BC will be equal to integral limits. Now, limits you see, x is equal to where to where? 1 to, you see, limits 1 to 0. Is it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, x limits are from 1 to 0. Now, what is the function here? Y square dx. So, y square means 1 minus x whole square dx minus x square as it is dy. Is it? Dy is minus dx. So, overall, this is integral 1 to 0. 1 minus x square minus minus will be plus x square, its whole square. Sorry, and this whole thing dx. Understood all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Integrate and tell me the answer now. The integral value of first one will be minus 1 minus x whole cube by 3 limits 0 to, 1 to 0. No? So 1 to 0 plus x cube by 3 limits 1 to 0.
Minus 2 by 3.
Minus 2 by 3. So that's the correct answer. All of you got it? It's very easy only.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the third one, along the line CA. So along the line CA means what will be the equation of this line? Tell me.
Minus x plus y equal to 1.
Yeah, y minus x is equal to 1. Na?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is y minus x is equal to 1. This implies y is equal to x plus 1. You can write from here your dy will be equal to dx. Now again let us solve this. So integral over this CA will be equal to, now what are the limits of x here? From where to where? From 0 to, I am shading it down, 0 to minus 1.
Minus 1.
So 0 to minus 1. So 0 to minus 1. Whatever you have, you write it. Now what is the function? Y square. So y square is 1 plus x whole square dx minus x square dy is dx. So this is 0 to 1, 1 plus x whole square minus x square, this whole thing dx. Integrate and tell me the answer. So again this will be x plus 1 plus x whole cube by 3, only you will get minus x cube by 3, limit 0 to minus 1, 0 to minus 1. What's the answer?
Two by three.
Check it once more.
0, ma'am.
0.
0. 0 you will get. Because for first time, 1 minus 1 will be, this part will be 0, but minus 1 by 3 you will get. Okay. So 0 minus 1 by 3 you will get. Minus 1 by 3. And similarly the other ones also. So again a plus 1 by 3 you will get, which will be cancelled. So overall this answer is 0. So therefore, hence you can write, hence the required line integral. What is the result of first integral? Along AB, it is 0.
0.
Then you have minus 2 by 3. Then you have 0. So overall this is minus 2 by 3 is the answer. Got it all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Try this one now. Find the circulation of f bar, which is defined as 2x minus y plus 2zi plus x plus y minus zj plus 3x minus 2y minus 5zk along the circle x square plus y square is equal to 4 in the xy plane. Solve it. Let me see who will do it. Who will solve this one? Find the circulation of this vector function along the circle x square plus y square is equal to 4 in xy plane. I suggest you to convert this into polar coordinates and then solve. That would be easy. Otherwise, it's your wish. In any way, you can solve it. No restrictions. Your F bar is, R bar, dr bar, We will require for circulation is also what? Line integral F bar dot dr bar only. So F bar dot dr bar will be equal to what? 2x minus y plus 2z. Is it or not? Dx plus x plus y minus z dy plus 3x minus 2y minus 5z dz. Okay. But in xy plane, z is 0, so that dz is also 0. So therefore, your f bar dot dr bar will be equal to 2x minus y dx plus x plus y dy only you will have. Understood all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And now you know the circulation. Circulation is equal to line integral over this curve f bar dot dr bar, where this C is the circle. C is the circle x square plus y square is equal to 4. Okay. So now to solve it, what we can do is we substitute x and y. We convert into polar coordinates. So you take x is equal to r cos theta. What is r value here? Tell me.
2.
2. So you can write x is equal to 2 cos theta y is equal to 2 sine theta. This would be easy because if you write down in Cartesian coordinates, what will happen? You will be stick with some root and all those things you will have. Is it or not? So instead of that, you can go for this one. X is equal to 2 cos theta, y is equal to 2 sine theta. So that your dx will be equal to what? Minus
Sine theta.
minus 2 sine theta d theta. Dy will be equal to 2 cos theta d theta. So these values you can substitute in your f bar dot dr bar in place of x, y, dx, dy, all those things. So therefore, integral f bar dot dr bar will be equal to integral, what is that? Yeah, here I'll write 2x minus y dx plus x plus y dy. So this will be equal to, now since everything we have converted to theta variable, so what are the limits of theta? Can you tell me? What should be the limits of
0 to
theta?
pi by 2.
0 to pi by 2 now.
First quadrant only.
Where it is mentioned only in first quadrant and it's the whole circle they have mentioned in xy
0
plane.
to 2 pi.
So it has to be 0 to 2 pi. 0 to 2 pi. That are the limits of theta. So now 2x, so that will be 4 cos theta minus y, that is 2 sine theta. Dx is minus 2 sine theta d theta plus x plus y. X plus y is 2 cos theta plus 2 sine theta. Dy is 2 cos theta d theta. Simplify and tell me what you will get. Everything, every term you simplify and finally tell me what you will get. Something you will get d theta. D theta I can write it once and write down. First term minus 8 sine theta cos theta.
8 pi, ma'am.
8 pi, okay. What about this expression I'm asking?
4 minus 2 sine 2 theta.
4 minus
2 sine 2 theta.
2 sine 2 theta. Okay. That means you would have got 4 sine theta cos theta, which you have written as 2 times of sine 2 theta. Okay, let me write that also. This on simplification, you will get 4 minus 4 sine theta cos theta. So 4 means 2 into 2. 2 sine theta cos theta can be written as sine 2 theta. So this will be integral 0 to pi 4 minus 2 sine 2 theta d theta. So when you integrate and substitute the limits, what is the answer you got?
8 pi, ma'am.
8 pi. What about others?
Yes, ma'am. 8 pi.
Yes, ma'am.
Got it? Okay, try this problem. Evaluate the line integral f bar dot dr bar where f bar is defined as x minus 3yi plus y minus 2xj. That's it. And C is the closed curve in the xy plane. So x is given as, in parametric form it is given the curve. X is 2 cos t, y is 3 sin t from t is equal to 0 to t is equal to 2 pi. Everything is given, just you need to integrate it. Solve and tell me the answer. Waiting for your answer. Doing all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Waiting for the answer. Fast. For every problem in the exam, they will give one problem. Now here you are solving so many problems, but whenever you solve, you make the habit of writing every detail. You give an F bar, then you know what is your R bar in XY plane. It will be XI plus YJ only. Okay, since in XY plane we are talking about. Otherwise, it includes plus ZI also. So your dr bar dxi plus dyj plus dzk, then F bar dot dr bar, all these things you mention, and then finally write down therefore the integral line integral f bar dot dr bar, substitute every value, integrate and get the result. This is how you have to solve the problem.
Ma'am, 6 pi.
What about others? What about others? No one else got the answer? Is this the answer for this one, the line integral?
Yes, ma'am. 6 pi.
F bar dot dr bar is 6 pi. Two candidates at 6 pi. What about others?
6 pi, ma'am.
6 pi. Okay. Now, sometimes they may ask you to prove that the given vector is conservative. So, two ways you can say. If the line integral is independent of the path joining the points, then you say that the vector is a conservative field. One thing. Or alternatively, a vector field is called conservative if curl of that vector is 0 bar. Okay. So, to prove any force field to be conservative, what you need to prove? Curl of F bar is equal to 0 bar, you prove. Now they may ask you to find the scalar function phi also, because the definition is F bar is called a conservative force field if curl of F bar is 0 bar, if and only if there exists a scalar function such that F bar is equal to del phi. Now all of you know how to find phi na scalar potential. We have already done problems related to this kind of things, this kind of problem. One. Will you able to do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, phi just you need. So compare, write down grade phi. On the other hand, write down your F bar, compare the coefficient, get your phi. That is the scalar potential. Okay. And similarly, they may ask you to find the work done also from a moving particle from one point to the other point. You can find how the work done accordingly. Okay. So this is all about the line integral. In tomorrow's class, we'll go for surface integral. Surface integrals. Okay. So that's it for today. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, I'll take the attendance. No doubts?
No, ma'am.
Let me take the attendance. J section. Okay, P series, roll number 1,
Present, ma'am.
2,
Present, ma'am.
3,
Present, ma'am.
4,
Present, ma'am.
5, 6,
Present, ma'am.
7,
Present, ma'am.
8,
Present, ma'am.
9,
Present, ma'am.
10,
Present, ma'am.
11,
Present, ma'am.
12,
Present, ma'am.
13,
Present, ma'am.
14, 15,